Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a swatch party slash unboxing of some Coloured Raine items. This is the box right here. My sister actually found this and she opened it, which is why I am opening it again. She didn't know what it was, so she just opened it. But I haven't opened it so far. I wanted to do this on camera and it's been a few days now and I literally just came home from work and I was like, you know what, I want to open it. I'm gonna open this box. I've been waiting and it's about time to do it. If you don't know, by the way, swatch parties on my channel basically entail me opening a product up for the first time and just swatching it. It's meant to capture like that beautiful feeling that you get when you open like something that you've been waiting for quite a while, and it's meant to like really like capture like love of makeup and all that good stuff. So I do these every now and then, but I haven't done one in what seems like a while, so I'm very happy to be doing this one today. So I'm just gonna open it right here. I'm trying to like hide the address label so you guys can't see where I live, but this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Okay, bubble wrap. Love that. But let me, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got the Coloured Raine Vivid Pigments and Shadows palette right here. This has been around for a little bit, but this was on sale and I was so excited to get it. It was half off. So good. And then I got this single pigment right here, also on sale. And I'm just going to show you guys this. This is the color Gumby, and I don't know if you guys are familiar with Gumby or like that TV show, but like Gumby and Pokey.
Gumby, he can walk into any book with his pony pal Pokey too. If you got a heart, then Gumby's a part of you.
This is inspired by Gumby, I'm assuming, and I saw this and I was like, I have to have it because I loved that show, and I'm just like, I want to have this in my collection because it is like a little bit of an unusual shade as well. I mean, you don't see this kind of shade every day. So I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. This was like a little bit of an impulse buy. I wasn't really planning on getting this particular color. Oh, that's really quite nice. That is pretty. Okay, yes, I'm excited about this. Very beautiful. Let's open this palette right here. I'm very excited about it. So let's open this up. So this is absolutely beautiful. Very excited about it. I love how they have like gradients of so many colors in this like palette, and I cannot wait to get my teeth into this. Well, not my teeth, my brushes, but this is gonna be so exciting, guys. Okay, so I think I'm gonna swatch each and every single color in this video because I was looking back at some of my swatch parties and I know that for a lot of my swatch parties I didn't swatch every single color, but the main reason for that was the things that I was swatching at that time in those videos were palettes that had 39 shades in them, and I was like, I don't really know if I want to swatch all that, but I think I'll swatch each color here so we can see what these look like. Of course, I'm going to be doing a first impressions on my eyes in a separate video so you guys can see that soon, but this is just going to be finger swatches, which are not always indicative of true quality of products, but finger swatches are still like a good way to like just sort of get to know a product before you put it on your eyes. So the first thing that I'm going to swatch is Sauce. Now, this is such a beautiful, like very like deep red color. You guys know that I'm a sucker for reds. I love that. Oh my gosh. Oh, but that is pretty. This basically makes me think, okay, if I took ketchup and I made it into an eyeshadow, I feel like it would look exactly like this. Yeah, I like it a lot. Then I have Unbothered right over here. I feel like this would be such an interesting transition color. Okay, see, I was not expecting these colors to be this pigmented. I know I've seen this palette before on social media and on people's channels and in people's videos, but I was not expecting this palette to be this pigmented. I'm gonna go a little bit to this area right here and pick up this pink shade because I want to get my teeth into this one as well. Okay, that is really pretty. I like it a lot. I'm not as obsessed with this pink as I am with the red, but really nice. I have to admit, I'm going a little bit haphazardly in this. That was Party Drip. And then I'm going to go and try out Crushin', which is essentially, I would think, a light orange transition-ish color. Okay, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me swatch some more. I'm going to do Splash, which is this color right here. A very vibrant looking orange. Oh my gosh. Okay. It is very rare in my experience personally that you pick up a palette and it swatches with one swipe exactly how it looks like in the palette. Does that make any sense? Because usually when you pick up a palette and you pick up an eyeshadow and you swatch it, it really looks like a little bit less vibrant or a little bit less saturated than it looks in the pan, which again is not a terrible thing. You can easily just layer things, and so long as like you're comfortable with working with that specific shadow, it's okay. But like this, like what you see on my arm is pretty much like what you're seeing in the palette. It's like exactly the same, which is not something you see every day, at least in my experience. It's not something that I see every day. I'm then gonna try out Lemon Drop. Okay, I really like this color a lot. I don't know how well it will work because yellows can be a little bit finicky, they can be a little bit unpredictable, but you guys know that I do like a good matte yellow, so I feel like this will have a good like home in my collection. Then I have this color called Level Up, which I really have to do in 2019. This is a beautiful looking green shade. I think I'm gonna swatch it with my pinky, but this is like a vibrant sort of like sap green. Okay, that's weird. This is the only shade in the palette that hasn't swatched fantastically so far. See, okay, see like how the difference, like you started off like this and then you go, that's interesting. I will actually definitely be working with this shade because I want to see like what's up with it. Okay, then I have this color right here called Squad, and I'm gonna swatch that. Okay, I would say that I like this better than what's it called, Level Up, but it's not like these colors. But then again, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, these two colors are not swatching too well. Let's see how the blues do. I think I'm going to use my ring finger for the blues. I have this color called Drip Drop. That's actually quite beautiful. I do like that because see how like there's a nice gradient and how it's like very vibrant here, but like it has a nice gradual gradient along my skin. That means in my opinion that's going to be a little bit more easy to blend. So I think that I will end up liking this shade. I feel like it'll be easy to work with. Then I have this color called Jet Set, which I actually was quite excited for. It's a very sort of like a dustier looking blue. Okay, that is really nice. So you have like this entire rainbow on my arm, which I love. Then I have Neo Blue. This better be a good Neo Blue. Oh my gosh, okay, that is... Alright, my hands are super messy, I'm very sorry, but... Oh yeah, that's okay, that's what I'm talking about. I'm looking at these and I'm like thinking like which colors look like they'll give me like an easier time and which ones look like they'll be a little bit finicky. So far, the warmer colors like right here, I feel like these will be very easy to work with. I feel like they will really give me like a lot of ease in pigmentation and blendability, but these I'm not too sure about, like particularly this color. Of course, please don't take my word as gospel, especially in this video, because I have not tried these on my eyes. And of course, colors can look completely different, okay? If you apply them on your eyes, they can look completely different in swatches. So I'm just giving you guys my like thoughts and my first impressions based on the swatches and based on my experience. Of course, when I do like my first impressions video, like I feel like that will be a little bit more accurate. but I'm like sort of like thinking of looks in my head and thinking about what I can do with this palette. And while doing that, I'm thinking of like how these swatches are performing, and I'm kind of like gathering my consensus and my inspiration in that manner. Then I want to go into this color called Yacht Life, and I think I'll start swatching on my other arm because this arm is obviously a little bit full. I don't know if this is completely matte. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm getting the vibe that this is a little bit of like a matte, but with a pearlized finish. Like, look at how pretty that is. Like, just, that is really nice. I like that shade. Then I have this shade called Bossed Up. Again, this is a shade that I'm really quite excited for. I was excited for a lot of these purples. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at that. Just look at that. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay, let's try and go with Cute. So Cute, yes, another shade. I do love my purples. Another shade that I'm very excited about. Because I actually don't have many similar shades to Cute specifically. So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna love this. Then Vibes, V-I-B-E-Z. I can't pronounce anything. This is like a very like kind of like a mid-tone purple, very pretty as well. Let's try it out. Okay, that is really nice. Okay, all these purples are giving me life. Then I have Perp Smurf, and I have expectations for this color. Like, this better be beautiful. And let's see how it swatches. Yep. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, purples. I love. These I love. Like, I love pretty much every single color so far, except for maybe this one green. But like you guys know, I'm gonna be working with that one green, and I'm gonna be seeing what's the deal with that. But these basically are my live finger swatches of this palette right here. It's a pigment palette, as well as this Gumby pigment right here. I'm excited. I really am. I feel like already I'm coming up with like different looks in my head. I can't wait to get my brushes into this palette and to really create some pretty looks. I really like, my brain is like just in overdrive right now. I'm just like having so many inspirations, and I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are too. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.